Sa ika-50th year, gikoronahan ang bagong title holders sa mutya ng Davao. A resilient, flexible, ug purposeful Davaoenia. Nirampa ug nipakitag bilib ang mga kandidata atol sa Coronation Night sa mutya ng Davao 2023 kagabi Marso 17, 2023 sa Yusef Gymnasium. Gikan sa 30 ka mga kandidata, gipili ang top 15 finalists. Wala usab magpaulahi ang mga taga-suporta ug nagpakusganay sa ilahang mga cheers ug palakpak atol sa pagrampa sa casual wear lahos sa evening gown. Pasok sa top 5 sila Mutya Joanna Marie Franken, Mutya Pelegrina Jendi Bentayaw, Mutya Dulce Amor Lumiktin, Mutya Maria Isabel Pelayo ug Mutya Jamila Dayan Ampis. Ang top 5 gisalang sa final question mahitungod sa feminization of poverty ug unsay angay nilang himuon aron matubag kini. Ug ang winning answer ni Mutya ng Davao 2023, Maria Isabel Pelayo.
What are your thoughts on poverty as a gendered experience and what can you do as a Mutya ng Davao to help address this?
I believe that poverty is nothing gendered at all. It is experience, it is a social issue, and it just happens that there could be lack of opportunities for women, which causes the effect of having more of them in the poverty. And as a Mutya, of course, I will push for more women to be given more chances for opportunities, especially equal to those of men. Thank you.
Nagpasalamat si Pelayo sa iyang pamilya, higala ug tanang Davaoenos. Ug advokasya niini mao ang fitness and health sa mga kababainhan.
My advocacy is for the fitness and health of women or of all Davaoenos because it's really important to keep your body healthy considering there are a lot of people in the working class in Davao City and we really need our bodies to purposely function in our job.
Samtang gikoronahang diwa ng Davao, si Joanna Marie Franken, sinag ng Davao 2023, Jamila Dayan Ampis, pag-asa ng Davao 2023, Dulce Amor Lumiktin, ug patnubay ng Davao 2023, si Pelegrina Jendi Bentayaw. Alang sa 86 araw ng Davao Special, Radyoman ay Ginita, Tatak, RMN.